Hey there, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors and your Key to Memphis team. And today I just want to answer the question on how do I keep my credit good after I bought a home. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, so welcome back. Today I want to answer the question again about how do I keep my credit good, and there's 7 things that we can look at to do that. The first one is to furnish your home. You know, you could go into different furniture stores and you get a pretty good interest rate actually, since your credit score is so good since you're able to buy a home. Always just, be careful with that. They'll give you lots of money on those, especially if your credit score is good. You just don't want to get in debt, for buying furniture and different things, but you could get, maybe smaller purchases because your credit's good on a furniture store credit card. And secondly, just to save money. There's so many different ways that you can save money with your credit score being good. So the best credit, you get a lot of discounts for having good credit, even on your insurance. So just good reasons to keep your credit score up and not just let it fly out the window since you bought your home. And then actually for the miles, I know you've seen the commercials on TV, for the different credit cards that will give you miles for different things, which are always good, especially if you go and pay it off every month. So that's a bonus win-win. And then of course for a job, some jobs actually run your credit score to see. So you wouldn't want your credit score to drop just by doing different things because you're like, yeah, I'm in a house, you don't have to worry about it. So just keep it up for that too. If there's a job change in your future. And honestly, to stay in your home for different things, if you sure don't want to go into foreclosure because you've bought all these different things, because you're thinking, the house purchase is behind you. We don't want you in that situation. And then also, interest rates, I can't imagine they fall much, but if you're in a situation where they might fall or something different on it where you could refinance, again, your credit score is important. You can save so much money with your credit score being higher if you are looking for a loan or refinancing too. So it's just a good thing to keep it up. So anyways, those are just good reasons to keep your credit score up even after you've bought a home. If you have any more information or questions about that, we're here to help in any way. So have a great day.